If Capcut is giving you the initialization error 1 message, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix, step by step. This issue is usually caused by a corrupted process, damaged cache, or a startup problem inside Capcut's local data. And the good news is that you can often solve it without reinstalling everything. So, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to clean up any Capcut processes that may still be running in the background. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift and ESC together to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, look through the list of running apps and background processes and find anything related to Capcut. This may include Capcut itself or any supporting process tied to it. Right-click each Capcut process and select End Task. The goal here is to fully close Capcut so nothing is still active when we clear the local files. Next, we're going to clear the cache and user data that may be causing the initialization error. Press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the run box. In the field, type %local app data%, then press Enter. This will take you directly to your local app data folder, where many apps store temporary files and settings. In this folder, find the Capcut folder and open it. Inside, look for the user data folder and delete it entirely. This is an important step because corrupted user data is one of the most common reasons Capcut gets stuck on startup or fails to initialize properly. After deleting the user data folder, close the window and move on to the next part of the fix. Now we're going to launch Capcut without an internet connection first, which can help bypass the initialization problem and let the app load cleanly. Disconnect your PC from the internet completely. You can turn off Wi-Fi or unplug your Ethernet cable, whichever applies to your setup. Once the connection is off, go back to your desktop and right-click the Capcut icon. From the menu, choose Run as Administrator. This gives Capcut the permission it needs to rebuild its startup files properly. Now wait patiently while Capcut opens, even if it takes a little longer than usual. Let the app load all the way to the home interface. Don't reconnect your internet too early. The key here is to let Capcut finish initializing offline so it can rebuild its files without getting stuck on the same error again. Once the home screen is fully loaded and the app is responding normally, you can reconnect your PC to the internet. At this point, Capcut should be working properly again. If the error was caused by a bad process, corrupted cache, or broken startup data, this method usually clears it up. If you still run into issues, try repeating the steps carefully one more time and make sure Capcut is fully closed before deleting the user data folder. I hope this guide helped you fix the Capcut initialization error 1 message quickly and safely. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Capcut fixes, editing tips, or troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.